Good afternoon guys, and welcome back to my channel.
In this video, we are going to make some melt and pour soap, guys. I've only need half of this, guys, so I just cut half of it.
See if we can use. Okay, so this one is 462.
Then weigh it on your scale. Cut it in small pieces. Place it into your stainless steel bowl and put it over your boiling water. Then let it melt. Once it's melted, turn your heat down. Then take it out from the stove. Cool it down a bit. Place it on the bench. And take the temperature of your oil.
Temperature gauge.
It should be about 70 degrees Celsius and below. And add your desired fragrances to your melted oil. And mix it all together. Add your turmeric powder. After adding your turmeric powder, just make sure that turmeric powder is well blended to your oil. I add lemon and lime fragrance, then I mix it again. Now I find it that mixing all that oil made my mixture saponified very quickly, so I had to reheat it over my hot water.
You see what I mean, guys? Alrighty, so that's already settled. We are going to pour it onto the mold.
As I'm pouring it, guys, I found that my oil mixture is getting saponified again, so it's getting harder for me to pour it.
Pretty quick.
And it settled really quick for me.
So you really
and then the bubbles on top of my soap.
But I wouldn't take it out from the mold yet, guys. Bubbles on them, but that really doesn't matter. We'll taste the pH on them later on, or when we take them out.
So I have taken it out from the mold, and now let's do a test on them, see how much bubbles we got. As you can see, guys, not at all. But it doesn't mean that you cannot use the soap, because it's nourishing and it's got the oil you need on your skin, and then you know what's in your soap. And the pH on this soap is only about 2%. I've used it on my shower already this morning. And the thing is, with this process, you can also use your soap straight away, as long as your soap is already hardened. Now let's do a test on my soap that I used to make. And this is not a melt and pour soap. You see, it's very lathery, isn't it, guys? This soap is very lathery and very moisturizing on the skin. And it's time for me to start selling them.